Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Here I'm going to be replacing a mirror glass on this 2008 Chevy Silverado. If you need this part or other parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Right, first I'm going to move the mirror out like that. That'll make it easier to work on. Then I'm going to take some masking tape. I want to tape up the mirror just in case something goes wrong, whether it cracks. That'll keep all the glass together. It's a good idea to wear safety glasses when you do this, just in case you crack the glass. All right, at this point, I'm going to take some trim tools, just slide underneath here. I just want to pop the mirror up, just like that. Sometimes it can be a little tricky. There's these 4 tabs that hold it in, so you want the mirror to slide up, but sometimes you fight it a little bit. You can potentially, if it doesn't come off that easy, you can take these covers off on the outside. This cover pops off, you can take a trim tool, get in between there, and then you can use a little screwdriver, get in between here and pry it up. Sometimes that helps, but generally just popping it up should work. Here's our old mirror. Here's our new mirror from 1aauto.com. As you can see, the shape is the same. Flip it over to the back. The back is the same. Has the same mounting positions. The new mirror actually comes separate, and it comes with this sticky tape that you will actually have to glue to this, which actually this makes it easier to install. So it's easier to not break the new glass. Just line that up. Get yours at 1aauto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll. With the new mirror, you want to take the glass and this sticky tape, set it aside for now. I'm going to install this plate onto this piece right here. Just line this up. Make sure all those tabs are lined up properly. We can slide it down. Wiggle it back and forth. Lock it in place. Now we're going to take this piece of double-sided tape, this backer, and we're going to take the sticky protector off on this side. Just line this up in position. Put it on gently, just make sure everything looks even. Looks good. Push it down. I'm just going to take a pick tool, take a little screwdriver, try to get this little piece of paper off. Slide that off. We'll take the mirror, get it positioned, lightly push it on. Once it looks good, then you can press it on and secure it down. You can move this up so that you can push it a little bit better, like that. It's nice and secure. And you're all set. Put the mirror back in position.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.